Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change wallet name on Trust Wallet. So first you just need to open the Trust Wallet application on your device. Now from here you have to enter the passcode, and then here you can see this is my Trust Wallet. Now you will find the main wallet here. So you just need to tap on this main wallet option here. Now from here you'll find all the wallets here. So you just need to choose that wallet that you want to change name for. So you just need to tap on this three dot button here if you want to change the wallet name like this, and from here you will find the name section with a box where you can just tap on it and you can just edit that name for your wallet. Like I'm going to just add it just like this, and I'm going to save it by tap on this save button here. And here you can see it has just changed the name of my wallet, and you can also find the name here. So that's how you can just change wallet name on Trust Wallet. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Till next time.